Okay, so here's the line. You see it? Straight this way. And then you do a left and a right and then two lefts and a right. And then there's a tree. Then there's a rock. And then you go right. And then you land down there. It's easy. Perfectly safe.
You're more than just a notch in my belt, a story to tell, the only thing on my mind, and it's keeping me up at night. I know you're making magic somewhere, but not by yourself. That might be the reason why it's keeping me up at night. Another night, another stranger's door open. When it opens, I'll see you. In my belt, a story to tell, the only thing on my mind. It's obvious I'm not doing well. Do you see these eyes? When have you known me to cry? I'm just sitting here remembering how your lips taste, and it's keeping me up at night, and it's keeping me up. Another night, another stranger's door open. When it opens, I'll see you. Wishing I could go back, wishing I could go back.